Welcome to our video. Prepare to embark on a flavor-packed voyage to the heart of Thailand with our vegan Thai red curry recipe. This exquisite dish is a harmonious blend of aromatic spices, creamy coconut milk, and an array of vibrant vegetables, all simmered to perfection in a tantalizing red curry sauce. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-lean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 can coconut milk, 2 tablespoons red curry paste, 1 bell pepper sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 carrot sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 block of tofu cubed and pressed, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, fresh basil leaves for garnish. In a large pan, simmer coconut milk and red curry paste for a few minutes. Add the vegetables and cook until tender. In a separate pan, stir-fry tofu with soy sauce and brown sugar until it caramelizes. Add the tofu to the curry and simmer for a few more minutes. Serve hot garnished with fresh basil leaves. For more vegan recipes, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.